Alright guys, want to scan Wi-Fi QR code on your Poco X8 Pro Max? No need to overthink it. There's a quick and simple way to connect instantly. Stay with the steps you see on the screen and access Wi-Fi quickly without any hassle. If this helped you out, drop a like and subscribe for more quick fixes. Let's get into it.